To schedule a standard appointment, click Schedule Showing and search for the listing. You can search by MLS number or address. On the left-hand side is information such as the maximum duration time and standard instructions. Select the appointment type and add an optional note to the listing agent. Select your date and drag your cursor to pick a time frame. Then click Schedule Now. Now you can see the requested appointment on your calendar. Once approved by the listing agent, it will change from yellow to blue.